morning, grade 9. Before we go to set 1.4, we need to understand few concepts related to sets, and that we are going to see under operations of sets. Operations on sets. Now first is intersection of two sets. Now what do you mean by intersection? Intersection is nothing but common elements which are present in both the sets. For example, set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers present in set A. Set B has numbers 4, 5, 6. Now which is common number present in A also and B also? It is 4. This is the common number which is present in both the sets. And therefore if this is set A and this is set B, you come to know that intersection is this middle part and it contains number 4. So in Venn diagram, intersection of two sets is shown like this and symbol is given by this inverted U. So A intersection B. This is how it is read. So A intersection B will be also a set and that contains element only 4 because 4 is common to A and B as well. How can you write by rule method? A intersection B is a set of all x such that x belongs to element or it is of set A and x also belongs to set B. It is an element of A also and B also. Okay. So this is belongs to. So x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Both the sets. So only remember one word, common. Common in two sets is intersection of two sets. Now second is disjoint sets. Disjoint means nothing is common. Nothing is common means it will be empty set. So in this case, if you say intersection of these two sets, intersection indicates common. Common in these two sets is nothing. And therefore, if A intersection B is phi or empty set, that means nothing is common in between these two sets, then those two sets are called as disjoint sets. See, A contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains elements 5, 6, 7. None of this element from both the sets are common. These are all different, these are all different. So in this case, when no element is common in both the sets, those two sets are called as disjoint sets. Now let's go for union of two sets. Union means what? It is as good as addition, mixing. You know na, unite means what? You get mixed along with. And therefore it is nothing but addition of two sets. Now if A contains sets 3, 4, A contains elements 3, 4, 5, 6 and B contains elements 5, 6, 7, 8. If you add these two, how many elements will be present? Ideally, it should be 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? But we have written 5 and 6 only once. So this is a rule. When you add two sets, common elements are written only once, even though they are present in both the sets. So it is this plus this part is A plus B. Whatever is coming common, it is written only once. So all this is A union B. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also common elements, they are shown only once. Alright. So please remember, when you unite two sets, whatever is common is not written twice. It is written only once. Now depending on this, and it is denoted by this notation A, U, B. It is not U actually. This is read as A union B. And what are the elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Okay. Now if these three concepts are clear, at least intersection of sets and union of two sets, let's go to number of elements in a set. N indicates number of elements in set A. I am concentrating or considering only these two sets. How many elements are present in set A? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So NA is equal to 4. How many elements are present in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4. So B also. NB means number of elements in set B. They are also 4. Now NA intersection B. If I look into this, what are common elements? Intersection means commons. Common in both the sets. So A intersection B contains 5 and 6, only 2 elements. So NA intersection B is equal to 2. Elements are 2, 5 and 6. Number of elements we are writing. So this is only set A, this is only set B, and this is intersection of set A and B. That means common elements in A and B. Now you say Let us see what are number of elements present in A union B. If I add these two sets, A union B, count the elements present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If these are 4 and these are 4, there should be 8, no? But how they are 6? Because these two are repeated, which we are writing it only once. We are not writing it twice. And therefore, if this is 4, this is 4 and this is 2 and this is 6, what we get? If I write only number of elements in A, plus I add it to it number of elements in B, from that if I subtract A intersection B, I get 4 plus 4 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 is nothing but A union B. So we get the formula, number of elements in A union B is what? Only elements in A plus only elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. This is important formula. Please remember, because your exercise 1.4, we are going to solve the problems using this formula. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. Now let's have a look at set 1.4. First problem. Number of elements in A are given. Number of elements of A union B are given. Number of elements in A intersection B are given, and you have to find how many number of elements are there in set B. Now you know the formula just now we have seen. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So just substitute. This is given as 29, which is equal to 15 plus n number of elements of B minus 7. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 8, if shifted to this side, 29 minus 8 gives 21. So number of elements in set B are 21. It is so easy. Okay. So that's all for today from my side, students. Next problems we will see in next video. Thank you.